Hi everyone, welcome to my channel all about health. Now let me tell you the best belly fat loss drinks and how they can be useful in our daily life. 1. Lemon water. Boosts metabolism. The vitamin C in lemon helps boost your metabolism, aiding the body in burning fat more efficiently. Detoxifies. Lemon water helps flush out toxins from the body, supporting overall health and reducing bloating. Hydration. Drinking lemon water first thing in the morning is a great way to hydrate, which is important for digestion and fat loss. Daily use. Start your morning with a glass of warm lemon water to kickstart your metabolism and stay hydrated throughout the day. 2. Green tea. Rich in antioxidants. Green tea is packed with catechins, particularly epigallocatechin gallate, EGCG, which has been shown to increase fat burning. Boosts metabolism. The caffeine and antioxidants in green tea can help increase calorie burning, especially belly fat. Improves digestion. Regularly drinking green tea helps improve digestion and gut health. Daily use. Drinking 1 to 2 cups of green tea during the day, preferably after meals, can support fat-burning efforts and provide an energy boost. Apple cider vinegar drink. Suppresses appetite. Apple cider vinegar can help reduce hunger and cravings by balancing blood sugar levels. Improves digestion. It helps improve digestion and supports gut health, which is important for weight loss. Fat-burning properties. It boosts fat burning by promoting better fat metabolism. Daily use. Mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar with water and honey or lemon for taste and drink it before meals to aid in digestion and curb hunger. 4. Ginger tea. Reduces bloating. Ginger is a natural anti-inflammatory that helps reduce bloating, making the stomach appear flatter. Boosts metabolism. It enhances fat burning and improves circulation, which helps in losing belly fat. Digestive aid. Ginger stimulates digestion and can alleviate issues like indigestion or constipation. Daily use. A cup of ginger tea after meals can help with digestion and help reduce bloating throughout the day. Cucumber mint water. Hydration. Both cucumber and mint are hydrating, which is essential for overall health and can help reduce water retention. Reduces bloating. Cucumber is known to reduce bloating, and mint helps with digestion, making it easier to maintain a flat stomach. Supports detoxification. The combination helps detoxify your body and cleanse the digestive system. Daily use. Infuse your water with cucumber and mint and drink it throughout the day to keep hydrated and support digestion. 6. Cinnamon water. Regulates blood sugar. Cinnamon helps stabilize blood sugar levels, which prevents insulin spikes that can contribute to fat storage, especially around the belly. Increases fat burning. Cinnamon increases thermogenesis, heat production, which helps your body burn more calories. Reduces cravings. It helps curb sugar cravings, making it easier to stick to a balanced diet. Daily use. Add a cinnamon stick to your water or mix ground cinnamon into warm water and drink it in the morning to reduce cravings and support fat loss. 7. Dandelion tea. Natural diuretic. Dandelion tea helps reduce water retention, which can make the belly look flatter. Supports liver detox. It aids in detoxifying the liver, improving metabolism and digestion, which are important for weight loss. Reduces bloating. Dandelion is excellent for reducing bloating and improving overall digestive function. Daily use. Drink a cup of dandelion tea in the evening to support digestion and detoxification. 8. Pineapple and lemon drink. Anti-inflammatory. Pineapple contains bromelain, an enzyme that helps reduce inflammation and aids digestion. Supports fat breakdown. Both pineapple and lemon are rich in vitamin C, which supports the breakdown of fat and boosts metabolism. Improves digestion. This drink can help reduce bloating and improve gut health. Daily use. Blend fresh pineapple and lemon together or infuse water with these ingredients and drink it as a refreshing, fat-burning drink throughout the day. 9. Green smoothie with spinach, kale, and apple. Nutrient-dense. Leafy greens like spinach and kale are packed with fiber, which helps in digestion and promotes feelings of fullness, preventing overeating. Boosts metabolism. The high fiber content helps regulate blood sugar levels, keeping metabolism active and supporting fat loss. Rich in antioxidants. This smoothie helps fight inflammation and supports fat burning. Daily use. Enjoy a green smoothie in the morning or as a snack to stay full, energized, and help reduce belly fat over time. 10. Fennel seed tea. Digestive aid. Fennel seeds have carminative properties, which reduce gas, bloating, and indigestion, making it easier to maintain a flat stomach. Detoxifies. It supports liver function, detoxifying the body and improving digestion. Curbs cravings. Fennel can also help suppress hunger and cravings, making it easier to maintain a calorie-controlled diet. Daily use. Drink fennel seed tea after meals to support digestion and reduce bloating. Incorporating these drinks into your daily routine can help you feel better, reduce bloating, support digestion, and promote fat loss, especially in the belly area. Along with a balanced diet and regular exercise, these drinks can be a great addition to your journey toward a healthier lifestyle.